I bought this beautiful antique butter churner and have longed to try it out. All you need is cream and salt. Pour in the cream and whisk. When everything is separated, it is done. I am saving the buttermilk to bake bread. Then I will knead the butter and add salt as I go along. If you want your butter to last longer, you can wash it in cold water to get all of the buttermilk out. My grandmother tells me that when she was little, her parents, who were farmers, paid part of their bill at a grocery store in butter. She brought it with her on her way to school in the neighboring village to leave with the store manager. My grandmother's family only had butter themselves on special occasions. When the butter is done, I put it in this beautiful butter bowl to enjoy with newly baked bread. If you want to see how I made the bread, I will leave a link down below.